Hi, this is Jamie Jones from the Dow Jones Exchange, and today I'm going to talk about change, and most importantly, the process of getting through a change. We all experience all kinds of changes throughout our lives. Some are expected, and some are not. Some are welcomed and exciting, some not so much. There is a difference between change, which refers to the end result, as opposed to the transition, which refers to the process of going through a change. And in that process, there are two very important questions to ask yourself. First, what am I losing? And secondly, how do I choose to respond to that loss? Whether the change is a positive, exciting opportunity or an unexpected, disruptive event, there will be loss. And we need to process that to be able to move through the transition process eloquently and efficiently. Here's a list of some of the types of loss typically experienced by change. Identity. Who were you before the change, and who will you become after the change? Turf. Whether literally, as in your home or belongings, or figuratively, as in your position or standing within your business or community. Control. Others involved, directly or indirectly, may now have decision making power concerning you. Future. It may be unclear, and you're not as sure or confident of where this change is taking you. Attachments. Could be friends, could be relationships, even objects like your office or your home. Meaning and purpose. You may be uncertain of how this change fits now into that bigger picture you had for your life. Either change by choice or by unexpected events. You can restore your sense of balance and personal power by understanding you still have the power to choose how you will respond to this change. For example, you can choose to restore or heal. Now, this might be relationships, it might be opportunities, your health, maybe trust. Replace. Sometimes objects, sometimes people, sometimes plans. Redesign. Think it through. What's working? Keep doing that. What isn't working? Rethink it. Redesign it. Relinquish. If things don't work and they can't be redesigned, then just let go of it. Releasing can be freeing and allows time and space to heal and move forward. Other elements of transition are ceremony and celebration. Now, ceremony is a thing you do, and it can be a simple ritual. Burning sage, lighting a candle. It can be done privately or shared with others. Celebration is a thing you have. It's an event, either large or small, that typically includes those impacted, either directly or indirectly, by the change. It can be a simple gathering of those involved that can create a deeper bonding. It rebuilds trust and accelerates healing. It might be something public, a public announcement for others that has an explanation of the changes and sets some new expectations. As you consider the change that has impacted you in your life, and you're thinking about what you've lost and how you choose to respond to the change, most importantly, instead of just allowing those thoughts to swirl around endlessly in your head, write them out. Now, how you choose to do that is up to you. You can journal, use a notebook, or even just a scrap of paper. See, how you do that is not as important as that you do that. Because once you get it out of your head and you have it in front of you, well, things begin to look differently. And it will be easier for you to see the choices that you do have and make the necessary plans to move forward.